Have you ever looked at Bitcoin's price and thought, wow, that's a wild ride, but I don't want to get on that roller coaster? What if I told you there's a secret weapon in the crypto world that gives you all the benefits of digital money without the gut-wrenching volatility? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that secret. But first, a quick note. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, back to the good stuff. In this video, we're going to explain how stablecoins are bridging the dollar and crypto world to protect you from volatility, make payments effortless, and open up a whole new financial landscape. By the end, you'll know exactly what they are and how beginners use them every single day. This is where stablecoins come in. Think of them as the most boring, most useful innovation in crypto. To understand stablecoins, you have to understand the problem they solve. When people think of crypto, they think of this. 1 minute, it's up 40%. The next, it's down 30%. This makes it harder to use for everyday spending to say, buy a coffee or pay your rent. That's not a practical use case. This is where stablecoins come in. Think of them as the most boring, yet potentially the most useful innovation in crypto. A stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency that is pegged or tied to a stable asset. Most of the time, that asset is the US dollar. This means that one stablecoin is designed to always be worth $1. It's the steady ship in the stormy seas of crypto. The two most common stablecoins you'll see are USDC and USDT. For now, all you need to know is they're like the two giants in this space, and they both aim to do the same thing: keep their value at $1. So, if they're just digital dollars, why do they even matter? Well, stablecoins have 3 superpowers that make them a game changer for beginners. First, they're a safe harbor. Imagine you bought Bitcoin and its value went up. You want to take some profits, but you don't want to go through the hassle of transferring your crypto back to a bank and paying all those fees. With a stablecoin, you can instantly swap your Bitcoin for a stablecoin. Your money is now protected from market swings, but it's still in the crypto ecosystem, ready to be used or invested whenever you want. Second, they make payments effortless. Traditional international wire transfers can take days and cost a fortune. With stablecoins, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, in minutes for just a few cents. Imagine paying an online freelancer in another country. No bank hours, no waiting, no big fees. It's a game changer for global business and personal transfers. And that brings us to the third superpower. This is probably the most important for a beginner. Stablecoins are your on-ramp into the world of crypto. You don't have to start by buying a volatile asset. You can start by buying a stablecoin and exploring exchanges, or even earning passive income on your digital dollars, all without the fear of the market crashing. It's the first step into a new financial world. Hey, like what you're seeing, don't miss out on more content like this. Take a second to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. So what's the catch? Are stablecoins perfect? The biggest risk is trust. Because these are private companies, you have to trust that they actually have $1 in the bank for every stablecoin they issue. Not all stablecoins are created equal. For that reason, most people stick to the most trusted stablecoins, like USDC and USDT, which are audited regularly. So how can you, as a beginner, use stablecoins today? Well, first there's saving. You can hold stablecoins in a crypto wallet to protect your funds from a volatile market without leaving the crypto world. Next, there's transactions. You can use them to send money to family or to a friend who lives overseas without paying traditional bank fees. And then there's investing. You can use them on a crypto exchange as a base currency to buy other crypto without having to wait for a bank transfer. Stablecoins are often called the backbone of the crypto economy, and for good reason. They are the essential bridge that connects the old world of traditional finance, with the new world of digital money giving you stability, speed, and efficiency. If you're a beginner looking to get started, stablecoins are the perfect place to start. They are the on-ramp to a more open, transparent, and powerful financial system. And if you found this video helpful, please show us some love. Subscribe to BlockStarU for more clear, simple crypto explanations. Like this video to help other beginners find it. Share it with a friend who's curious about crypto. And comment below with any questions you have. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.